How to check your battery cycle count on your iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your battery cycle count on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your settings and then you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and click on privacy and security. Once you're in privacy and security, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of analytics and improvement. So over here, you'll be able to see this option that says share iPhone analytics. So you gotta make sure this is toggled on. If it is toggled off, you gotta toggle it on and wait for 24 to 48 hours in order to check your battery cycle count. So once it's toggled on, and it has been toggled on since quite a while, you gotta click on analytics data. And here you're gonna select the most recent file. In our case, it's this one. So you're gonna select this one. And here you can see that it is a very long document. So it will be very difficult for you to manually copy it. So what you need to do is simply copy it. So you're gonna select it like this, and then you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom. It could be quite tricky, but you gotta, do it like this, and the screen will slowly start moving like a bit like this, and then it will get fast. Just wait for it to get fast, and now you can see that the file will move very quickly. So just wait for it to get completed, and once done, you can simply select the remaining part of it, and here just scroll a bit up, and that's it. Just copy it, and then you're gonna head over to your notes. So once you're in notes, you're gonna paste all of that text over here, and then you're gonna click on these three dots over here, click on find and note, and you're gonna type this, that is last underscore value underscore cycle count. Last underscore value underscore cycle count. And here you can see we have around 10 searches, but don't worry about them. They are having the same values. So here you can see that we have the last value cycle count 554. Even if you scroll down and just view the other ones, the values are the same for each and every one. So that is how you can check battery cycle count on your iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.